Yesterday I was listening to a message from Netanyahu, now this time for Iran. So already talk about Gaza and then about Lebanon and Syria. Now he's sending a message to Iran. And I'm saying this as a Muslim, as an Iranian American person. I don't have any connection with the Iranian government. I've been in this country for 33 years. I never received any penny from Iranian government in the last 30 years that I'm in this country. And I even don't know any of the wazara, I don't know any Iranian ministers. Yeah, in the last time that the president, who is a reformist, President Pezeshkian, was in New York for United Nations, I was invited as a member of interfaith over there, and I paid for my own ticket and even for my own hotel. I didn't get any money even for that meeting. But when I hear that Netanyahu now is giving a lecture to Iranian, you have nothing else now, you are already busy with your court of facing the charges like fraud and bribery and breach of trust, and also under the arrest order of International Criminal Court. And in the middle of all of this thing, you save time to give a lecture to Iranian. That's very interesting. And he was saying that I want to help you Iranians to be free from this government. Oh, you want Iranian to be free. What about freedom for the Palestinians that they are 76 years under occupation? You want to bring peace in Iran after this system, but why you don't have this freedom and peace that you are talking to your next door, the Palestinians? If freedom is good for Iranian, why freedom is haram and bad for Palestinians?
Imam Mohammad Ali Elahi, a respected spiritual leader and advocate for justice, delivered a compelling response to Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's remarks aimed at the Iranian people. Addressing the broader implications of Netanyahu's comments, Imam Elahi underscored the importance of distinguishing between political agendas and the genuine aspirations of nations. He highlighted the rich cultural and historical heritage of Iran, emphasizing the resilience and dignity of its people despite external pressures and misrepresentation. Imam Elahi called out what he described as inflammatory rhetoric, urging leaders to adopt a tone of respect and dialogue rather than division and confrontation. He stressed that the Iranian people, like all nations, deserve to be treated with dignity and have their sovereignty respected. Drawing from Islamic principles of justice and compassion, he reminded the global community of the shared humanity that transcends political and ideological divides. Imam Elahi also emphasized the destructive impact of misinformation and propaganda in creating hostility between nations. He urged Netanyahu and other leaders to focus on fostering genuine understanding and promoting peace instead of escalating tensions. His message resonated as a call for unity, justice, and the pursuit of diplomatic solutions over conflict. Through his response, Imam Elahi reaffirmed his commitment to interfaith dialogue, mutual respect, and the values of truth and fairness. He urged global leaders to prioritize the well-being of their people and work collaboratively to achieve a future of peace and coexistence.
Aaron Bushner, he set himself in fire in front of your embassy in Washington, D.C. to show his hatred for genocide that you are doing in Gaza. And his last word was free Palestine. So what kind of freedom? No, you don't care even about Jewish people. You are selfish, you are arrogant, you are racist. A rabbi that shared your mentality said long time ago, expressed his racism when he said 1 million Arabs not worth of a Jewish fingernail. This was said by the racists that, oh, we are chosen people and the rest are like, human animals. That's your mentality. No,